In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Favicon not showing in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage your store settings, theme design, and branding elements, including your Favicon. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your store name, so if it is missing, your store can look incomplete or less polished. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then click Themes. This section shows the theme that is currently live on your store, along with any other themes you may have installed. Make sure you are working with your active theme, since that is the one customers will actually see. Next, click the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can control different visual settings for your storefront. In the theme editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click the Theme Settings icon. This is usually shown as a gear icon. Theme settings contain the broader design options for your store, including branding, images, and icons. After that, locate the logo or favicon section. The exact label and placement can vary depending on which Shopify theme you are using, so take a moment to look through the available settings if you do not see it right away. In some themes, the favicon setting is grouped under branding-related options, while in others, it may appear as its own separate section. When you find the favicon area, click Select Image. Upload the image file you want to use as your favicon, then click Done. It is a good idea to use a simple, clear image that still looks recognizable at a very small size, since favicons are displayed in a limited space on browser tabs. Once the image has been uploaded, click Save in the top right corner. This is an important final step, because your favicon will not be applied to the live theme unless the changes are saved properly. After saving, give the update a little time to appear. In some cases, browsers may continue showing the old icon temporarily because of cached data. If that happens, refreshing your browser or checking your store in a private browsing window can help confirm whether the favicon has updated successfully. That covers everything you need to know.